MCX, the issue as well as financial technologies is a stock. Rajiv Mehta, who's the research analyst at India Infoline, joins us with his take on the issue that the market is watching out for very closely. Rajiv, first up, the retail portion has been oversubscribed by about 4.5 times already. Do you expect more aggressive response today from the retail and the HNI segment, particularly as we draw towards the close?
Yeah, absolutely. What we think is that, the MCX IPO being rightly priced and, the company being fundamentally so strong as reflected in, the rating given 5 on 5 by CRISIL. Clearly, it's an IPO which everybody is vying for, and according to us, it has got the potential of reviving, retail investors' interest in the secondary market going ahead. So we have seen an overwhelming response from the retail side. I think the book, as per the latest data, is almost filled by 7-8 times, and most likely by the end of the evening it could be filled 15 times or more. So I see, yes, a lot of responses still coming throughout the day.
Right. How do you view the valuations for MCX at the upper end of the price band, because that's where most of the bids have come in?
Yeah, as I said, the issue is rightly priced. It's not overpriced. The valuations at the top end are about 18 times current year earnings. If you look at more mature exchanges like CME and NYSE Euronext, they are trading, somewhere in the range of 15 to 17 times current year earnings. But of course, they are much larger exchanges, and their return ratios and also their growth rates are pretty much, significantly lower as compared to MCX. And MCX volumes are growing at a much faster pace at about 70-odd%, and earnings growth is at about 80-odd%. So clearly MCX, must be deserving a premium over these exchanges in that case, given the fact that the headroom for continuance of volume growth still remains pretty strong.
Right. What kind of a listing gain then do you expect, Rajiv, right now? I mean, if we were to put in like an expectation out there, especially given the subscription interest that we've seen so far?
Yeah, very difficult to say, because I think the sentiment would determine what kind of a listing gains the IPO will give. But I reckon that anywhere in the range of 15-20% is a fair possibility on the listing day. And if the market sentiment remains stable and maybe gradually improving over the next, in the medium term, then I see the stock going to, say, maybe 1,300, 1,400 in the medium term. So clearly, I think from both perspectives, from listing returns as well as from investment returns, horizon, the IPO is, attractive for retail as well as any kind of an investor.